In this video, I'll show you how to fix WordPress Theme File Editor not showing. If your WordPress Theme File Editor is missing, here are some common reasons and solutions. First, go ahead and check Security Plugin Settings. Some security plugins disable the theme editor to prevent unauthorized code changes. If you're using iTheme Security or WordFence, go to Security Settings, head over to Advanced, and head over to WordPress Tweaks, and uncheck Disable File Editor. Now, if that doesn't work, the second thing that you can do is to verify user role permissions. If you're not an administrator, you may not have access to the theme editor. Check your user role under Users and head over to All Users. Third thing that you can do to solve this is to enable theme editor via wp-config.php. Open your wp-config.php file via FTP or cpanel and look for the line PHP. Define disallow file edit true. Change true to false or remove the line entirely. And the last option that you have is to use a plugin alternative. If the theme editor is permanently disabled, you can use code snippets or custom CSS plugins to modify your theme safely. And that is how you can basically fix WordPress theme file editor not showing. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.